Welcome to myLPU eLearning portal. In this quick tour, we'll show you how to navigate your LMS. Start by visiting our myLPU eLearning portal and logging in using your LMS credentials. Make sure to type your username and password correctly. After logging in, you'll land on your course dashboard. This is where you'll see all your enrolled courses. If no courses appear, don't panic. Just try reactivating your account or just contact the Academic Center to update your LMS dashboard. You can use the smart filter above to quickly find a specific course or hide completed ones. Need quick updates? Click the Snap Feed drawer at the right to view deadlines, messages, and other notifications. When you're done, don't forget to log out. Just click your profile icon on the top right and choose Log Out. That's it for your LMS dashboard tour. Watch the next videos to learn more on how to use the LMS.